So for Christmas I got a Instant Pot. I think it's the Nano Duo, something like that, 6 quart. And I've cooked, this will be my 3rd meal on it. So far I've been real happy with it. I'm going to try to do navy beans. They say you can do it without soaking. And I'm just going to use my recipe I use when I do the overnight soak and all that good stuff. We'll see how it turns out. If it turns out good, I'll post it on YouTube. If it's not on YouTube, it didn't turn out good. So the ingredients I'm going to use are onions. I just buy the frozen chopped. It makes my life easy. The navy beans, and then I've got some ham left over from our Christmas meal and some chicken broth. So let's start. So first I'm going to start out with 2 cups of chicken broth. Next I'm going to add 4 cups of water. Put the beans in a colander here, and I'm going to just rinse them off real good. So I rinsed the beans and I just added them to the pot. Next I'm going to add my chopped onions. And you can probably get by with a half a bag. I've already used some of this bag. And then I'm going to add my ham. So I think the ham is going to add plenty of salt. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder and black pepper. So there we go. So I'm going to put the lid on. And then I'm going to set it to pressure cook. And I'm going to go 45 minutes. So once you set it, it should kick on. There it goes. So now it's going to pressurize. And it's going to cook for 45 minutes. Then it beeps. And then it'll count down to release the pressure on its own. And I'll probably let it do that instead of doing a quick release. So we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so it has been depressurizing, I guess you call it, for 33 minutes now. I cooked it for 45 minutes under pressure. And now we're just going to release the remaining steam. And wait for the pin to drop. There it is, which means we have no more pressure. And let's see what we got. There you have it. And I made some cornbread to go along with it. Well, it looks pretty good to me. There you go, success. Make sure you like the video if you want to see more of it. Thanks for watching.